gonna kill off all of our rice shield guys.
Boo Boo's eating dinner. Is it good, Boo Boo? Is it good? He's having chicken livers, bananas, mustard greens, and an egg. And some reptile multivitamin.
Too late. It's all good though.
Oh, trying to eat the plate here.
Except for juggernauts on both sides of us. That's not good.
This is the only way I can get him to eat his greens is to hide them, so. Seems to like it. Make a mess. So if you have a tegu with picky eating problems, just mix up their favorite things to eat with it. He loves bananas. So I hide the things he doesn't like with bananas.
Got the other one.
He would just eat bananas and eggs and meat if I would give it to him, but he needs to have his greens.
It sucks that they made self-revive $4,000.
There's an overview of him. He's a big boy. 4.5 feet long and about 7 to 10 pounds. So he's pretty big. He's almost, I'd say 9 or 10 years old. He was a rescue, so I'm not so sure. You can maybe see his tongue, if I'll show you. He doesn't have a forked tongue. He came to me that way, but I think it makes him all the more cuter. He's got a chopped tail. Not as long as it should be, but he's still great. He's my favorite out of all of our reptiles. I just love how intelligent they are. He does not have a tank. He runs around our teeny apartment, but he does have his hot place with his cypress mulch and everything, but he only goes in there at night. He's usually sleeping under our TV during the day. But there you go. Goodbye.